What's going on, guys? My next knife review will be on the AKC Swinguard. So this one, I got it at Roadside Imports a long time ago. So here it is 10 years later. So the one I have here is the Bayonet style blade. So I've had this for a very long time. Also, guys, it's good to be back to my usual here. So here's my next review. The AKC Swinguard right here. To be honest, it's not always perfect. So this one has a defect. So this is the what do you call this one? This is the bayonet style blade, honey horn handle scale. So it just opens like this, and just like that. It has a medium opening to it. So here it is. Here's my AKC. Like wow, like 10 years later. So I got this a long time ago, and I still have it. Still in great shape. Yeah, there's a defect on this. I'll tell you about that in a bit. Well, the best thing about this is a great collector's item. And yes, again, it's good to be back to my usual here. It's been a big while since I did a good proper knife review here. Yeah, yeah, just opens like that. Yeah, it's not the best opening. All right, so here it is up close. So yeah, this is the 9 inches overall length. The honey horn scales. Fortunately, what do you call that? Roadside Imports. They closed down for good, so you won't be able to get anything, buy anything from them. I got this for a full price, so I got it for like over $100. That's how much I got it for. So opens like this. There you go. And it's a very nice collector's item. Right there, AKC Italy. That's the best thing. Yep, it's made in Italy. Honey horn handle scales. All right, now let's talk about the defect on this. So the defect is the right there. The guards are very loose, and the opening it doesn't have a good lockup. See right there, it's got a slight. Yeah, it's got a slight. What do you call that? Yeah, it doesn't have a good lock right there. Let me show you. So right there, that wasn't grinded properly. So again, a lot of these are not always perfect, but the best thing about this, it's a good, collector's item. Yeah, just opens like that. Yeah, medium opening. There's the spring. Yeah, here it is, like 10 years later. Yeah, I've had this for the past 10 years, and it's still in great shape. There you go, your usual mirror polished blade and bayonet style. That's good. Yeah, I do have the dagger edge. All right, so there you go. Here it is. So here's my next review here, and it's good to be back. And of course, if you want to get this, no problem. You can get this at Grindworx. Yeah, you can get this at Grindworx for about around less than over $100. Uh, Depending what style you get. There you go. Opens like that. Yeah, guys, mine is not in the best condition. Uh, right there, it's got a slight. The guards are loose, and the lock is not too sturdy. So when you get this, just make sure to get a good one. And yeah, this is more of a collector's item than a everyday carry. So you can just frame this on what do you call that? You can just put this on a frame and just look at it every day. There you go. Yeah, this is more of a awesome collector's item. There it is. Here it is. Like 10 years later. And oh, another thing you should know is these what do you call that? They don't use S30B or D2 steel or offset. Yeah, a lot of these Italian knives don't use that proper steel. So that's only the downside to it. But overall, it's a must-have for any collectors out there. Yeah, opens like that. Yeah, medium opening. Yeah, right there. That's the screw right there. Yeah, opens like that. No problem. Yeah, it's not the best in condition, but yeah, I should have returned this, but I was kind of lazy. So here it is. All right, so here it is up close. Another great collector's item. Yeah, I got this on Roadside Imports a long time ago. 10 years back. So wow, I've owned this for the past decade. It's in good shape. Right there, there's the spring. Yeah, honey horn handle scales. But no problem, you can get it at Grindworx. But I say get it now before they sell out. There's only a few of them at a time. There you go. So I say just get it now before they sell out. Right? Yeah, they sell out quick. There's the safety lock right there. It's on tight. You know, as far as me having this, I just have this as a collector's item. That's it. Even if it's not in the best condition. There you go. Opens like that. Show you going up close one more time. There you go. It's good to be back. It's good to be back to my usual here. Yeah, the guards are loose and the lock is not sturdy. But overall, I don't have a problem with it. Otherwise, all right. So there you go. So here's my AKC Swinguard. 10 years later. Yeah, another great collector's item right here. There you go. All right, one last time. Yeah, 9 inches overall, as always. They come in different blade styles. Yeah, a must-have for any collectors out there. And again, just make sure you get a good one. Yeah, they're not always perfect. And there you go. All right, so there you have it. I gave you a good review on the AKC Swinguard that I got at Roadside Imports a long time ago. So here it is, 10 years later, and it's still in great shape. And of course, it's not again, it's not in the best condition, but this makes a great collector's piece to anybody out there. All right, so let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.